Okay, so in this video, I want to talk about 3 tips to start off your craft show business in 2026. Tip number 1, make something that solves a problem. What do I mean by this? I do bottle openers. I make this style. I make this style that goes on the wall. And if you have a bottle and it needs to be open, you just use a bottle opener. Bam, problem solved. So think about your customers. Think about what problems they might have and see if you can make something to solve that problem. So, tip number 2, make something that is seasonal or event specific. I make something, these are a little twig pot, it's cracked, but I put red, white, and blue flowers in it for 4th of July. I can do Valentine's Day, Halloween, or whatever. Somebody might look at this and say, oh, that's a cute little seasonal decoration that can go on a desk or something like that. So these sell pretty well for me. I sell them for cheap, but they do pretty well. Imagine that. And then tip number 3, make something that you can use every day. So I do cutting boards, I do charcuterie boards. So you're in the kitchen most nights cooking dinner, you can use a cutting board to cut up your vegetables, and that's it. So something that you can use every day. Think about something that your customers, if you do knitting, you want to knit a hat or gloves or something like that. Something that your customers will be using every day. So that is it. Let's go over it again. Tip number 1, make something that solves a problem. That is a big one. Don't forget that. Tip number 2, make something that is seasonal or event specific. And tip number 3, make something that your customers can use every day. So that is it. Think about that. Hopefully 2026 is a great year for you and your craft show business. And that is it. And thanks for watching.